Picture this: a sultry summer night in New York City, the red carpet unfurling at Lincoln Center, and the spotlight poised for a spectacular moment. Enter Emma Corrin, the versatile star known for their fearless fashion choices, ready to dazzle the world at the Deadpool and Wolverine premiere. And dazzle they did, with a look that paid homage to the roaring 1920s, bringing old Hollywood and French cabaret to life in a way only Corrin could. Emma Corrin's ensemble was nothing short of a sartorial dream. Imagine a black and white tweed bodysuit meticulously crafted by Nina Ricci hugging every curve. De pièce de résistance? Voluminous black fur lining at the chest, exuding both luxury and drama. Corrin paired this stunning bodysuit with sheer black Calzedonia tights and pointy matching heels, creating a look that was daring, chic, and absolutely unforgettable. No red carpet look is complete without the perfect accessories, and Corrin did not disappoint. Adorning themselves with classic white diamond jewelry by Cartier, they added a touch of timeless elegance. Long cluster earrings, a 3-tier tennis bracelet, and 2 large rings sparkled under the flashing cameras, enhancing the ensemble's glamour. Corrin's beauty look was a masterpiece in itself. Transforming their blonde Princess Diana do, they cut it, dyed it jet black, and slicked it back and to the side, channeling the Art Deco era with a modern twist. Wavy, glued-down bangs framed one side of their face, adding a sultry touch to their intense blush and black smoky eye and blood-red lip. The final flourish? Spiky, inky black nails that screamed edgy sophistication. As Emma Corrin stepped onto the red carpet, they didn't just walk, they made a statement. Their look was a captivating blend of vintage glamour and contemporary edge, proving once again that fashion is about more than clothes, it's about telling a story. And Corrin's story was one of fearless elegance, timeless beauty, and a touch of theatrical drama. Want to channel your inner 1920s starlet? Take inspiration from Corrin's red carpet magic. Mix classic pieces with bold accessories, experiment with dramatic beauty looks, and most importantly, wear your style with confidence. Because in the world of fashion, as Emma Corrin showed us, it's all about owning your look and making every moment a dazzling debut. Stay tuned, fashionistas, for more red carpet inspiration and style secrets.